Welcome to watch Ceres bicycle assembly video. First of all, thank you for you to purchase Ceres bicycle, and we hope you can follow this step and enjoy your bike riding in the future. 1. Check the box if any damage. 2. Check the box if it has been opened. 3. If everything is normal, please open the box. 4. Take out the bike. 5. Before open the box, contacting customer service if there is any problem. Taking out the manual and tool kits. Please read the manual and instruction before you start riding the bike. Now, you can also take out the spanner and Allen wrenches. After you taking off all the packing material, and please check if there is any scratch or damage. It could be occurred during the shipping. If it does happen, please contact our customer service immediately. Now, we are ready to assembly. Twist the stem to the normal position. Make sure the stem and tire is on the same parallel. Now, tighten up the left and right side Allen key bolts, and please make sure tighten up with the correct torque which provide inside the manual. Inside the box, and you can find a small accessory box. Take out the pedal set. In the pedal set, you can find the right and left side sticker or the mark on the axle. Please install the right side first. You can use multifunctional wrench and counterclockwise rotation to tighten up the pedal on the crank arm. Please make sure tight with the right torque followed by the manual. Now is the left-hand side. Please also use multifunctional wrench in the same counterclockwise rotation to tighten up the pedal on the crank arm. Please make sure tight with the right torque followed by the manual. To adjust the height of the seat, please release the quick release located in the seat clamp. Once you release the quick release, then you can adjust the height of the saddle. Please make sure the saddle position is fit your height. Now you can enjoy riding. We still recommend you to go to professional bicycle retailer near you for professional checkout to make sure all bolts and nuts have been tightened. We wish you have very safe ride.